Hello, my bacon lovers, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we are going to make a loaded potato chicken casserole with bacon. All right, so I think this is going to be pretty simple and easy and yummy. So let's get going. Okay, so first you're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then you're going to take about 5 potatoes and peel them and slice them about, I don't know, 1 inch thick. And then, or 1 inch slices. Dice your chicken, pound and a half, and then start cooking your bacon till you get about 1/2 cup of chopped up bacon. I'll probably do more like a full cup. Okay, let's get going. Potatoes have been peeled. I'm just slicing them. See? And we will get these done and drizzle some olive oil on them and put them in the oven. Let's spray a 9x13 pan. And then we're gonna layer the potato slices in this pan and put them in the oven. Okay, we're gonna layer these potato wedges in here. And then we're also going to drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil and put it in the oven for 45 minutes. So while the potato slices are in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and start prepping the chicken and frying up the bacon. Now let's season our chicken. I cut the chicken into little bite-sized pieces, and now we're going to add 1/2 a tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix this all together to get the chicken nice and coated. And then we'll be adding this over our potatoes when they are done out of the oven. Let's pull the potatoes out of the oven. Now we're going to combine it with the chicken. This chicken smells so good. So we're just going to combine the potatoes and the chicken, mix it really well. You're going to put it back in the oven for about 15 more minutes uncovered. It has come out of the oven, and now we are going to sprinkle the bacon that we cooked. So we're just going to kind of put it very evenly, if you can. Nice layers. And then you're going to top it with the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese, but you can use your favorite cheese. So after we top this on here, we're going to put it back in the 400-degree oven. Just, you know, maybe 5 minutes or so. You just want the cheese to melt. And then we'll be ready to come back, remove it, and do our taste test. All right, we'll be back shortly. This is fresh out of the oven. Ooh-wee. Cheese is nice and melted. Bacon looks super yummy. It smells really good. Okay, let's scoop some out and try it. Ooh-wee. Ooey gooey, cheesy, chickeny, potatoey, bacony. It's got all the E's. All right, let's do a taste test. Here it is. Loaded chicken, potato, and bacon casserole. Really was super, super simple to make, honestly. So we're going to hopefully not burn our mouth. Well, that's a pretty big bite, but I do want to get chicken, bacon, and potato. Here we go. See, it does not look good. That's really good. So the potatoes are nice and tender, and the seasonings, it just really pulls out the flavor of the cheese, and the bacon, of course, is so smoky and savory. It's kind of like a fully loaded baked potato. Honestly, this is super good. I mean, you could just eat it as the star of the show. You could have it as a side dish. Really, really yummy, you guys. Okay, I'm going in for another bite because it was so good. Because, like, who doesn't like bacon, cheese, and chicken together with potatoes? Rock on. That was super delicious. All right, you guys. That's it for today's episode. If you tried this recipe, comment below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Mash that subscribe button. And I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye-bye.